Motorola Android one smartphone with 6.2-inch Full HD plus display, 19:1 aspect ratio, dual rear cameras, and Android 8.1 gets certified. This phone will launch on August 2. iBall SN4 with 2.31-inch display, talking keyboard launched for senior citizens. So it is very useful for senior citizens with talking keyboard. Oppo sub-brand Realme is quitting Oppo. That means Realme is starting its own company. So now we can expect better smartphones from Realme like OnePlus. Xiaomi Mi A2 Android smartphone launching in India on August 8 will be Amazon exclusive. So last year Mi A1 is Flipkart and now Mi A2 is Amazon exclusive. Honor Note 10 with 6.95-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, up to 8 GB RAM, liquid cooling, 5000 mAh battery announced. So this will come to India soon. Fortnite for Android will be exclusively available on Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So that means this might not be available in Google Play Store. That means still PUBG will be the king. WhatsApp group voice and video calling now rolling out for all Android and iOS users. So if you are using WhatsApp, go let them check it out in Play Store. So these are the overall tech news today. Hope you enjoyed that. See you in next video. Thank you guys.